Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the previous class we are discussed about Roman numerals. Roman numeral is a numerical system of ancient Rome. It is based on the English alphabet, letters of English alphabet which are combined to signify their values. So basic Roman symbols are basic Roman symbols, or in the last class we are already discussed I, V, X, L, C, D, M. What is the value of I? 1. What is the value of V? 5. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of L? 50. What is the value of C? 100. What is the value of D? 500. Then what is the value of M? 1000. In the last class we already discussed this, okay, and also discussed how reading and writing Roman numerals, rules for reading and writing numerals. So the first rule is a symbol can be repeated on maximum 3 times, okay, and the second rule is only I, X, C and M can be repeated. V, L and D symbols cannot be repeated. It is okay. Then third rule, if a greater symbol is placed before, for example, see children, example, third rule, a smaller value symbol is placed before the greater value symbol, the value is less ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಂಬಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿ ಐ, ಓಕೆ, V is the greater symbol of greater value, I is the symbol of smaller value. So greater value symbol ಮುಂದೆ smaller value symbol ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ V value 5, I value 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, okay. Then rule 3, rule 4, if a smaller value symbol placed before symbol of greater value, the value is subtracted from greater value. ಅಂದರೆ greater value ಹಿಂದೆ smaller value ಇದ್ದರೆ, greater value symbol ಹಿಂದೆ smaller value symbol ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ greater symbol of greater value ಇಂದ symbol of greater smaller value ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ x ಅಂದರೆ x value 10, L value 50. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 50ನಲ್ಲಿ 10ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 40. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 40, ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ಟುಡೇಸ್ and also learned some more exercise problems in the last class. Exercise 1.3, first, second main we are completed. In the third main we completed 6 problems. Now we start 7th one, okay. Exercise 1.8. So in the third main 6 problems are completed. So we start with 7th one. So I write the heading, one second. Convert the following series of Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth one you completed. So we start with 7th one. First I write the questions. L X X X I X. Seventh one. Eighth one. C X X I. Ninth one. M D. 10th one. D X X I. 11th one. C M V. 12th one. M C X L. 13th one. M C X V. 14th one. C M X C I. Okay, see children. So what is the value of L? 50, X 10, X 10, X 10, Ix means 9. Okay, so greater value ಮುಂದೆ smaller values ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 50, 60, 70, 80, Ix ಅಂದರೆ 9. So what is the value? 89. Okay, is it clear? Go to the second one, 8th one. C, what is the value of C? 100. Then what is the value of X? 10. X 10. 100, 110, 120. I ಅಂದರೆ 1, 2, 3. So 123. 123. Next, 9th one. What is the value of M? 1000, 1500. 1000, 2000, 2500. 2500. Then 10th one. What is the value of D? 500. What is the value of X? 10. X 10. I 1. So adding this, what we'll get? 500, 510, 520, 21, 22. 522. Okay. Next, 13th one. CM. So see children, what is the value of C? 100. What is the value of M? 1000. So greater value in the smaller value ide. So symbol of smaller value placed before the symbol of greater value. We subtract the greater value from smaller value. Okay. So see children, here M means 1000, C means 100. So what is the value? 1000 minus 100. How much? 900. 900 plus what is the value of V? 5. So 905. Then 12th one. So what is the value of M? 1000. M value 1000. Then what is the value of C? C means 100. Then what is the value of C? Again 100. Then XL. So XL means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 how much? 40. 50 minus 10 40. So then 1000, 1100, 1200 plus 40, 1240. Okay. Next, last 13th one. See, what is the value of M? 1000. Then C value 100. 1100 plus C 100. 1200. XV. X means 10. V means 5. 10 plus 5 15. 1215. Okay. Then last one CM. So what is the value of CM? 1000 minus 100. 1000 minus 100. So what is the answer? 900. XC. XC means 100 minus 10. So what will get? 90. I means 1. So 991. 991. Okay. So we will go for next main. So fourth main, write the following Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. Write the following Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numerals. So here we convert the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. First I write the questions. L, X, X, X. Second one D, C, X, I. Third one M, C, I, V. Fourth one C, L, X. Fifth one C, X, L, I, X. Sixth one D, C, X. X, C, V, I. Then last one D, C, I, X. See children, here also Roman numerals are given. We write in converted into Hindu Arabic numerals. So we write the Hindu Arabic numerals. First know the basic Roman symbols. Okay, what's the value of L? 50, 60, 70, 80. So L, X is equal to 80. Then go for second one. So what is the value of D? 500, C 100, X 10, I 1. 500, 600, 610, 612. Okay. Then go for third one. So M is 1000 plus C means 100 plus IV. IV means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what will get? 1104. 1104. Okay. Then fourth one. C 100, 50, 10. So add these numbers. 100 plus 100, 200, 250 plus 10, 260. 260. Then fifth one, C 100, XL. Okay, XL means how much? 40. L minus 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Then Ix is 9. Okay. 100 plus 40 plus 9. So what will get? 149. Okay. Then go for sixth one. So what is the value of D? 500. Then what is the value of C? 100. What is the value of C? 100. What is the value of X? 10. So 500, 600, 700 plus 10, 710. Okay. Is it clear? Then go for seventh one. XC. XC means 10. C means 100. So small greater value in the smaller value ittu andre greater value in the smaller value na less ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 100 minus 10 how much? 90. 100 minus 10 90. VII. So what is the answer? 7. So 90 plus 7 is 97. Is it clear children? Then go for last one. See D. How much D? What is the value of D? 500. C 100. C 100. High X means 9. 500, 600, 700 plus 9. 709. So you write in pencil. So write the values in pencil. Then you rub it. Okay. These are the write the following Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. Next in this exercise we go for last main, that is convert into Roman numerals. So last main, fifth main, write each of the following Hindu Arabic numerals into in Roman numerals. See children, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಅರೇಬಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 250, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 1550, third one 526, fourth one 1720, fifth one 2600, seventh one 585, seventh one 1000, sorry this side, seventh one 1140, eighth one 2009. So here Hindu Arabic numerals are given, so we convert it into Roman numerals. You know the basic symbols of Roman numerals. So I1, V5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. Okay. 250. How to write 250? 200 plus 50. So what is the symbol of 100? C. So write C, C. C means 100. C means 100. 200. Then how to write 50? So 50 symbol enide L. 250. Then 1550. So 1000 ge en symbol barutte M. So write M. 500. 500 ge en symbol barutte D. Then 50 ge en symbol barutte L. M D L. Okay, is it clear children? Then 526. So 500 ge en symbol barutte D. So how to write 20 in Roman numerals? X X X X. Then 6. How to write 6? V I. Okay. Then go for fourth one. 1720. So what is the symbol of 1000? M. Then how to write 700? So 700 we write as D C C. D means 500, C means 100, C means 100. 500, 600, 700. Then how to write 20? X X. So 1720. Then fifth one 2000. How to write 2000? Write 2M. M means 1000, 1000. How much? 2000. Then how to write 600? D, C. D means 500. C means 100. 2600. Then sixth one, 585. 500 means write D. 85. How to write 85? L, X, X, X. So 50, 60, 70, 80. Then how to write 5? V. So 585. Seventh one 1140. How to write 1000? What is the symbol of 1000? M. 100 write C. 40. How to write 40? XL. XL means 40. Then last one, eighth one 2000. So how to write 2000? M. M. Then 9. What is the 9 symbol? I. X. So 2009. Is it clear children? These are the Hindu Arabic numerals. These are Roman numerals. Okay. Is it clear? In the Roman numerals, a symbol can be repeated 3 times. I, X, C and M symbols can be repeated. V, L and D symbols cannot be repeated. Okay na? V, L matte D symbols na repeat madogilla. Then basic symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay. Next, smaller value in the greater value in the smaller value ittu andre ನಾವು subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. greater value ಮುಂದೆ smaller value ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. These are the Roman numerals. Okay. Any doubts? Okay children. Now the first chapter is over. So what are the points we learn in first chapters? So we recall them. So 7-digit numbers, 8-digit numbers and 9-digit numbers, and also learned Indian and international place value system of numerization and predecessor and successor, ascending order and descending order of numbers and rounding of numbers, then face value and place value of the numbers, expanded form of numbers, comparison of numbers, forming numbers, Roman numerals. Okay, these are all the topics we all learnt. Okay, thank you children.